A. Here see some examples I'll show you, and with the examples of that, with the help of that examples, we can understand clearly again. Articles. Here usage of a and an for one out of many. Here see, use a when the noun begins with a consonant. A bag, a cat. When vowels we are using an, that we have already understood. Yes. Exception. When the vowel you sound like you. Vowel you sound like you at that time. University. An university అనలేదు చూడమ్మా ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, బ్లైండ్ గా ఎక్కడైతే మనకి ఏ యూనివర్సిటీ, here all universities, if we are talking about universities, ఓకేనా, ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ, కాకతీయ యూనివర్సిటీ, ఉస్మానియా యూనివర్సిటీ, జవహర్లాల్ నెహ్రూ యూనివర్సిటీ, if we are talking about all these universities entirely, a university ఒక యూనివర్సిటీలో చెప్పారు. So like that, one university only we are considering at that time. A university sounds like y, university, y like we are using, not u. So here vowel sound, the letter vowel, here starting letter vowel only, but here we are using a. So this is exception, Anna. And half an hour we are talking, an hour and half an hour we are talking. Why? Because here we are pronouncing like consonant, but we are pronouncing like ha sound. H is silent here. R, har antama, har anamu, h to pronounce cheyamu, h is silent here. Okay, an hour and half an hour antam. So H is silent there. Next sound is vowel sound only. That's why here an comes. Kaushik, this is very important. Okay na? A university anali, an university anadu. Normal ga aithe vowel sounds ki an antamu. But university daggara exception unnadi. A anali, not an. Or else the university. ఓ పర్టికులర్ గా స్పెసిఫిక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కింద మాట్లాడినప్పుడు దా వస్తుంది, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఏ వస్తుంది. And always use half an hour, half a hour kaadu, half an hour, okay, HOUR, H is silent there, that's why here we are using an. Most important. Next one is remaining all we know. Examples, a cat, a bird, a child. Here singular countable nouns ki, singular countable nouns we are using a. Okay na, singular countable nouns which are starting with vowel sound, vowel letter, those are an. And da is for specific object. Plural countable and specific object singular, any, that may be anything. For specific or unique, particular ga deni gurinchi aina maatladte at that time da we are using. So that is about articles, and this is most important, Nana. Here whatever I told now, this is most important. This notes also I will send you today. Okay na? This first one, exception, is most important. Don't get confused. Okay na? Exception is most important. So this is about articles, whatever I told you yesterday. And one more thing, Nana, so many verb forms you have to understand. So many verb forms. So here see, achieve, achieved, achieved, admire, admired, admired, attack, attacked, attacked. These all you have to buttify sometimes. Read more and more, then you'll get a clear idea on these verb forms, because whenever we are talking, tenses are most important. To understand the tenses and to use the tenses, first you have to know about different verb forms. Okay, verb is about an action. Okay na, and that is in three forms: past, present, past, future, like. Okay, in our daily life we are using these type of verb forms regularly. This is most important to learn. So I'll send these all to you. Okay, arise, arose, v1, v2, v3 verb forms we are mentioning like that. Begin, began, begun, blow, blew, blown. Okay na? some are different and some are easily we can say. So that's why you have to learn more and more verb forms. This is not there, Nana. Okay, it is also there. Present, past and present perfect we are using in our daily life. Take, took, taken. Ride, rode, ridden. Drink, drank, drunk. So in that manner you have to learn more and more. Here more they have given. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Learn more and more regularly. These all I will send. Okay. Some are same only, Nana. Read, 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 like cut, 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 put. These all are having, all three are same. Okay. Sended అంటావు కదా నువ్వు sometimes you only నా sended అన్నావు కదా ఒకసారి. Sended అనకూడదు. Send, sent. ఓకేనా? Send, sent. So like that in that manner we are using, and ing form also, that all I will discuss with you afterwards. This is most important to learn now. Here see, accept, announce, add, annoy. These are different, not verb forms. Leave about it. This one you have to understand. End, ended, ended. Enjoy, enjoyed. Follow, followed. This type very easy, Nana, but not all for this. For all this is not suitable. Sometimes it is. Okay, these all are very easy. See, accept, accepted, accepted. Act, acted, acted. Bake, baked, baked. This type of verb forms are very easy, but some are different. These all are very easy. These are different. See, steal, stole, stolen. Okay, past, present, infinitive also we can talk about that. Simple past is stole, and past participle we are using sometimes. Verb V3 form, past participle. Stolen. Swim, swan, swum. See, this is very different. You have to learn this type of verb forms, most important. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. If you learn more, you'll get more knowledge on English. Okay, na Kaushik? If you learn this type of verb forms more, you'll get more knowledge on English grammar, especially. Your friends will be very surprised because of your knowledge. Send, sent, like that. Throw, threw, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore. Weird అంటావు కదా, అనకూడదు అట్లా. అంటారు కదా మీరు weird అని. Wore we have to use. In past tense, or we have to use. W-O-R-E. Or is the future past participle. Or we have to use. For future purpose we are using means or nanali. For past, already I wore that type of dress. In case your friend is saying about any dress, already I wore. నేను అలాంటిది ఎప్పుడో వేసుకున్నాను అంటావు కదా. So at that time or use చేయాలి నాన్న. WORE. I already wore that type of. Weird, I already weird అంటారు మీరు సడన్ గా కదా. So we have to use this type of. I won, ఇది మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం రెగ్యులర్ గా. వాన్ అనే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. See here, yesterday also we have discussed about run, ran, Anna, not ran. Here I told ran. Yes, run, ran, and go, went, gone. Put. That one is same. And drink, drank, drunk. Sometimes very different. 3 forms different గా ఉన్నాయి చూసావా. Don't get confused. Fly. We are using regularly fly. ఎగిరిపోయింది అన్నప్పుడు flew అనాలి. Flew. Past tense లో చెప్పినప్పుడు FLEW. It was flew. It will be flown అనాలి. ఓకేనా? అది ఎగిరిపోతుంది అన్నప్పుడు it will be flown. FLOWN. dreamed. dreamed అంటారు రెగ్యులర్ గా కదా. dreamed. Don't use dreamed. Dreamed. Freeze, froze, frozen. ate, ate, eaten. Hear, heard, heard. Read, read, read. Same. I told already. Kada? Sell, sold, sold. Sell, present tense, and sold, past. For future purpose, sold we have to use. We have to use. Do, did, done. Speak, spoke, spoken. Buy, bought, bought. Teach, taught, taught. Taught, who taught you? Who teached you antaru. Generally, don't use like that. Who teached you anaddu. Who taught you that subject? Who taught you? Who taught you English? Who taught you mathematics? Already in 5th class. Who taught you mathematics? So in that manner we have to talk. Who teached you anakuddu nana. Who teached you kaadu. Who taught you? Who bought you? Which one you bought at that time? Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Buy, bought, bought. Speak, spoke, spoken. Some are very different. So that's why more you have to read. Other than this also you can collect and you can read, Nana. So many we can collect from the internet and some books also there. Okay. Sing, sang. This one also I told. Correct only. Sing, sang, sung. I told already. Yes. Question tags is also most important. That also I'll tell afterwards. English grammar is very interesting and very important to us to talk English. Yes, Kaushik, is it correct? Get, got, gotten. See, get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Grow, grew, grown. Hut is same, Nana. Hut, hut, hut. Hutted kaadu. Hut. I hut. Don't use hutted. Hutted antar general ga. Anakuddu kada. So many mistakes. Well talkers also, well educated also will use sometimes mistakes in English. I hurted antaru. I hurt only we have to use. I was hurt at that time, not hurted. Okay na? Are you getting? Well educated people will also sometimes use this type of mistakes because we have to learn more and more this type of verb forms, then we'll get clear idea which one we have to use అనేది మనకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది ఇలాంటివన్నీ చదివినప్పుడు. ఇప్పుడు మనం సింగ్, సాంగ్, సంగ్ అంటున్నాం. జనరల్ గా సింగ్, సింగ్డ్, సింగ్డ్ అని కూడా అంటారు చదవకపోతే. వర్బ్ ఫార్మ్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ మేనర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్. ఇవన్నీ చూస్తుంటే రెగ్యులర్ గా డిక్షనరీ టైప్ ఇది. డిక్షనరీలో కూడా ఉంటాయి వర్బ్ ఫార్మ్స్ సమ్ టైమ్స్. కొన్ని డిక్షనరీస్ లో దొరుకుతాయి. And if you want, you can collect from internet more. I'll send all these. Read these all. And some more also you can collect from other. And read well all these type of different types of. See here. Wake, woke, woken. Write, wrote, written. We are regularly using. See, saw, seen, nana. Sing, sang, sung. Give, gave, given. Fall, fell, fallen. So all these types you have to learn more. Okay, I'll send all these.